China on Sunday successfully conducted a land-based mid-course anti-ballistic missile test openly within the country's borders. This is a defensive test and is not aimed at any country, Chinese daily Global Times quoted the Defense Ministry as saying. Conducted at night within the Chinese border, the test reached its desired objective, the ministry said in a statement. A similar test was held in February last year, according to an announcement of the Chinese Defense Ministry at the time. The latest test brings the tally of publicly announced Chinese land-based anti-ballistic missile technical test to 6. Experts said on Monday is a crucial part of the country's national defense development that is defensive in nature, demonstrating the reliability of China's anti-ballistic missile umbrella amid US attempts to blackmail China with modern nuclear-armed intercontinental ballistic missiles and deploying intermediate-range ballistic missiles in the Asia-Pacific region on the doorsteps of China. The flight of an intercontinental ballistic missile usually consists of 3 phases. First is the boost phase, in which the rocket booster powers the missile. Second, the mid-course phase, in which the booster stops as the missile travels outside the atmosphere. Third and last, the re-entry or terminal phase, in which the missile re-enters the atmosphere and dives on its target. Intercepting an intercontinental ballistic missile during its mid-course is very challenging because during this phase, the missile, usually equipped with nuclear warheads, travels high outside of the atmosphere at very high velocity, experts said. Now, the countries are developing hypersonic missiles with waveguide gliders that can adjust their trajectories mid-flight when they re-enter the atmosphere, which makes terminal interception even more difficult, and mid-course interception has become even more important, analysts said. Although small in size, the mid-course anti-ballistic missile has a complete set of combat systems including power, tracking, target identifying systems and the killer part, the expert explained. The mid-course anti-ballistic missile interception also has a network of support system with an early warning and monitoring function. The interpiece of the warning and monitoring system is the missile early warning satellite, and support from long-range monitoring radars and a highly efficient and rapid command system are also playing crucial roles in the interception process, the experts said. The experts also said, by comparison, the US ground-based mid-course defense system only has a success rate of just 55%, according to the Washington DC based Center for Arms Control and Non-Proliferation. Ground-based mid-course defense (GMD) is the United States anti-ballistic missile system for intercepting incoming warheads. The high success rate of China's tests shows that the country's land-based mid-course anti-ballistic missile system has become mature and reliable, Wang Yanan, chief editor of Beijing-based Aerospace Knowledge magazine, told the Global Times on Monday. Fears are that the US could deploy intermediate-range missiles in places like Japan, South Korea, Guam, and Australia, despite Japan, South Korea, and Australia ruling out this US proposal for the time being, according to a media reports. If the US succeeds in deploying intermediate range missiles near China, it means China will face not only more missile threats but also more uncertainties. If US missiles are deployed in multiple locations along the island chains, it would be more difficult to predict from where those missiles could come from, Wang said. Thank you.